Good morning, guys. So today I wanted to try this place that keeps getting recommended to me, Arashi. It's a ramen place that's apparently supposed to have the best fried rice. And if you haven't seen it, I made a video on this place right across the street called Chirugwa. It's Okinawan food. And in that video, I said that these people have the best fried rice, and then everyone's like, oh yeah, never tried that, but across the street has the best fried rice. So compare the fried rices of these places, and I'm probably gonna get some ramen too. First impressions of Arashi, and here's Kit, by the way, too. We're gonna do a first impression. You haven't been here, right? Oh, okay.
I always just go across the street, or like right over there because there's coconuts. Like, this place gets missed in my peripheral vision because I'm like,
yeah, this restaurant is right in between Coco's Curry and Chirugwa. So why would we come here?
If I have to pass Coco's to get here, that's not happening.
Well, it happened today. Let's see how this goes. Yeah. I'm gonna get the Arashi, their signature ramen.
Are we done?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, this sounds like a place you're gonna like, or this looks like a place you're gonna like.
Okay, you're super blown out because of the back. So what are your first impressions so far without trying the food?
It smells really good in here.
It does.
I kind of wish I had the stomach to eat more like the gyoza, because I really want some gyoza, but I do not.
Oolong tea, yes?
And it's an oolong tea. It looks like a beer bottle.
Yeah, is it good?
Yeah, it's oolong tea, it's good.
Dang. That does look pretty good. Just got the miso ramen, just got all of our food.
So
looks good.
Pretty damn good.
Smells good. All right, so you want to take a first bite? It's a moment of truth. Is it better than that place right across the street, Chirugwa? No? You're like, no?
No.
Definitely not?
It's just, it is good, but it's not like, it's not Chirugwa.
So the place right across the street.
It's still the best fried rice.
So guys, if you're coming here for the fried rice, man, you're missing out. Go over there, in our opinion.
Well, you try it.
Yeah, let me try. This is the garlic something. Garlic butter. It's, you're right though. That one is better, but this is pretty damn good. It's the butter is like.
I can see why Americans like this. It's a very like, it's very like an American would like this type food.
I think it's really good.
It's good. It really is.
This is the butter garlic fried rice, and it is very buttery and very garlicky.
It's a 7 or like a 7, because I've had better fried rice than this, and it's not as good as that. And I'm talking like there's fried rice better than that. You know what I mean? So like this is
that
good.
too?
No, there's no fried rice better than that.
Oh, okay.
But like there is fried rice better than this below that.
You know, one of the problems I have with this one is it's not very crunchy.
Well, that one isn't either.
No, but this is like the rice is sort of like soggy. You know what I mean?
I let it sit in my like it. But like it's good fried rice, but it's definitely not like the best fried rice.
It is really good. Hold on, let me take one more other bite. The butter and the garlic is really good though. It's good fried rice, guys. Come across the street if you want the fried rice. Let's try the ramen now. So this is just the Arashi miso ramen. So I normally get tantan min, and I was gonna get it, but it said it was a new item. Not that that's a problem. Tantan min is my favorite, but I didn't want to try a new item. I want to try the ramen that sort of they're known for. And I don't really know what they're known for, but I'm guessing the Arashi ramen is pretty well known, considering it's the name of the restaurant. I don't want to be mean, but I'm like not impressed with the ramen. It's It's good, but it tastes like instant ramen to me.
See, this is why I think you should have done the tantan mint.
The tantan mint?
Because you don't normally get this ramen to begin with.
The miso one? I've had really good miso ramen though. But the noodles...
Can I try it?
The noodles taste like instant noodles. You like miso normally, right? Okay, so you're probably better at rating this one since you have miso ramen a lot more. What you gonna eat before you say something?
So, this might be sacrilegious, right? I don't really care for ramen.
NANI?!
I'm not a ramen person. I feel like I have to preface this. That being said, I actually do like the broth. I think the broth is very like a kind of like a miso creamy, and I like the flavor. It's got like a really nice like a comforting flavor.
Mm-hmm.
But the noodles, I'm not really like hugely impressed with. It's okay.
Have you had better ramen?
Yeah.
Have you had worse ramen?
Yeah.
So this is somewhere in the middle,
This
or
is just somewhere in the middle. Like it's okay.
it's just ramen?
Yeah. I actually think personally, just the broth alone tastes better than the fried rice to me.
Really? So the ramen broth is better than the fried rice.
Come on.
Interesting.
Which is saying a lot because I'm not usually a ramen fan. But like, this fried rice to me is just like, I can see why Americans like it.
Yeah.
Because it's a teppanyaki. It comes with like boiled like eggs cooking as it's coming, and you get to mix it on your own, and then you get like it's got butter on top. So I can see the appeal to it, but flavor wise, that across the street definitely has better fried rice.
The more I eat that, the garlic and the butter is really overpowering.
I just want to say a few things. Preface this. I think if this were in America, this would be a good fried rice and ramen place, probably.
That's literally what I said to you.
Well, I agree. Well, actually, I still wouldn't be impressed with the ramen because I honestly think I could think of like 4 or 5 or 6 ramen places in America that are better than this.
See, for me, I have a theory. Either I really don't really care for ramen, or Okinawa just doesn't have good ramen. I just think like mainland Japan has the ramen because that's where it's from, especially like that Tokyo area with the little booth and stuff outside with the old man serving ramen like they do in Naruto.
I do like Tenkaipin. The tantan men here is very, very good. What I was saying before was I wanted to preface this by saying I've always preferred Asian food to like American food. Like I would take Asian food over American food any day. This is becoming very long. But this ramen I think is very good from an American perspective if you really like American dishes. Filled with butter, filled with garlic. It wasn't very Asian tasting, I guess. Bottom line is, come try it yourself. I don't know what kind of food you like. A lot of people really love this place. I don't want to be like super critical, but I wasn't that impressed. Neither of us really were. And if you really like this place, I'm sorry. You can thumbs down the video, I guess.
You got like 400 thumbs down. Like I said, you're hard pressed to find really bad food in Okinawa.
Yeah, I think all food here is very excellent.
But I think it might also be because like there's so much good food here that good food I'm like even critical about. You know what I mean? Like it's so
Yeah.
easy to be critical about food here because
I think here you start pitting the best against the best.
Yeah.
You know, because
Like-
there's no like bad food.
100%. If they serve that at a Japanese restaurant in America, I'd love that. But
I agree. I think that ramen was excellent for like a Japanese restaurant in America.
or like even
That
like
was,
the fried rice. That's mainly my thing. Like if
The fried rice to me was much, much, much better than the ramen.
but it's just like I've had better fried rice on the island. In
Yeah.
fact, I could walk to Sane and have better fried rice. Like it's just there's so like you're pitting.
There's some stiff
grades against
competition
grades.
here
Yeah.
in Okinawa when
So-
it comes to fried rice.
Don't get discouraged. It's not bad at all. It's just we've had so much good food that it's just like you start pitting stuff against each other.
If you're feeling great fried rice, go here.
To Chidogwa, across the street. Let me know what you think. Come here, try it out for yourself. If you've already liked it, leave a comment below. And thanks so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, do all that YouTube stuff, help us out, and her channel. See you in the next video.